Okay, so we're making some Virgin Islands. We call it fungi. In Trinidad, we call it the same thing. We call it cuckoo. So I'm gonna put about 2 cups of water in my pot. I'll allow it to boil. So I'm gonna start with some water. I'm gonna boil some okra. This is about 5 ounces of cut sliced okra. You could use fresh okra. You could use okra from the frozen okra, right? I'm gonna put this to boil with the water. Allow that to cook. Let the okra to cook properly. I'm gonna season the water. Generally, recipe will just be like use basically just salt and black pepper to taste. But I'm gonna do it a little differently. I'm gonna use I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Sazon complete seasoning. This already has salt, so just put a bit of that. And I'm also going to be using this garlic and parsley product here. Yep. Other ingredient that we'll be using is some fine cornmeal, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of butter. So when the water has begun to boil and the okra has cooked, I'll be back when that has been done. Okay, so here's my okra on the fire, almost cooked. Normally when the okra is cooked, you'll see the seeds looking a little pinkish. This is almost cooked. So what I will do at this point, I will add I'm going to go down on my stove to low and add the cornmeal and just keep on, just stir like this. Keep on stirring. Gradually add the cornmeal. Keep on stirring. What I'll do at this point, I can see I don't really have enough water, so I already have some boiling water. I'm just going to add a bit of water. I want to have all the cornmeal to cook and to get nice and smooth. While I'm doing this, the okra is still cooking. I can see the rice started to turn pink already. Okay, so now that's all the cornmeal has been mixed in. I turn off my stove now. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. This is normally served like with another local dish, stew fish. I'll do that recipe somewhere down the line again to serve with this fungi. With our season that I'm using, the garlic pasta, this is smelling so good right now. So good. Okay, this is done. Okay, I'll transfer the cuckoo to a bowl where for it to be served, right? So when you transfer the cuckoo I keep saying cuckoo, that is Trinidadian name. This is fungi in the BVI, in the Virgin Islands. So I transfer it to a bowl to be served. So you transfer it to the bowl, just for presentation, if you serve it on the table for your family and stuff. I'll take a spoon and just press it down and try and smoothen the top as you go along. You know, like that. You can also apply a little butter too to help you smoothen out the top. Okay, so as you see here, I added some butter and it made the smoothing of the top process much easier. And yeah, this is it. So when you're ready to serve per person, you just scoop out a serving and serve. Now if this was like a square dish, we could make like a nice little square slice and serve, you know. But I think I'll use like a ice cream scoop and scoop out a nice scoop for presentation. Okay folks, so here's my humble attempt at presentation, right? So this is the fungi here. I did like I use an ice cream scoop and I scoop it out. And like I said before, you could also like serve it like in a slice of the fungi, right? Different ways. And traditionally serve with like a stew fish. I'll do a stew fish recipe somewhere down the line later on in the future. So this is it basically, you know. It's served like with some sort of seafood generally, you know. Or if you're not into that, maybe some peas or something. Be creative with your meal presentation. So I had some smoked herring left over. I served with some smoked herring, and this is some what you call it, bulb like looking tomatoes, you know. So I'm having this for lunch right now in a few minutes. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell that is next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you'll get a notification letting you know that I've uploaded a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your love and your support. Take care. Bye bye.